While planning to restore my old car, I discovered some rust on the underbody. Instead of letting it spread, I decided to treat it myself. Here is exactly how I did it. Safety comes always first. What you actually need to do the job. You need sandpaper, flap disc or wire brush, angle grinder, rust converter or any kind of rust treatment, metal paint or primer. Step 1. Clean any surface rust. For hard to reach places, you might want to use sandpaper. To get more access, I had to remove the tow bar. Now more grinding and more sanding. Until it starts to look like this. And now, step 2. We have to apply the rust treatment or rust converter. You have to read the label on the rust converter. Mine said I have to wait for at least 12 hours. Until it finally cures. This is how it should look like the next day. And now you can start applying paint. Make sure you apply at least 2 layers. Now you can see before and after looks 10 times better. This is an easy job that anyone can do. If you enjoyed this video, consider pressing the subscribe button. I'll see you next time.